Hey, how we doing today? Hope you're having a great day. Today, I'd like to talk to you about my 7 rules of writing as a beginner writer to try and help you out. But first, we're going into the old mailbox. Yep, I have mail, believe it or not. And mail time. I watched Blue's Clues with my kids, so I'm ashamed to have done that, but I did. So the first one we have is, and I had to peel this off to get it started because I don't have fingernails, so I have Bronx World, riding up there in South Dakota, southeastern South Dakota, southwestern Minnesota, and does some great videos shooting some of the small towns up there that he rides through, and just kind of going over what some of those towns are all about and where he goes and what he does on his rides. So the first one is from Bronx World. Here you go, sir. Looking forward to crossing paths is his little note to me. And so I'm going to put Bronx World. Let's see, I got my iron butt patch stickers, and then I got, of course, mine. So I think I'll put Bronx World right here next to mine. And I can't ever put these on without having creases, no matter how hard I try. I do that when I wrap presents too. My kids, my wife, they all laugh, said I don't have to put my name on any of them because they know who in the heck wrapped it, but just by looking at it. So that's Bronx World right there. And the next one is going to be Mild Hogs, but I got a second one from Bronx World, so let me put this one, let me see if I can get it unpeeled first. I may have to do a second take. Like I said, I don't have fingernails, so I'm going to do a second take. Otherwise, this could take me 10 minutes. All right, Bronx World. Got the second one. Hope you didn't have to wait too long for that. And I did get it right side up. So that makes me happy. So Bronx World. And I have a vest of my best friend who passed away last summer. Got his vest, and I'm going to put these stickers on his vest because I'm going to keep his vest here just in memory. This was, if you don't know the backstory, is my best friend. I downsized to retire and bought his house. And this is his garage where he stored his motorcycle. It was a mysterious red Street Glide. He affectionately named Ginger. So this is called Ginger's house. Now it's my house. But anyway, I am going to put Bronx World on here. Hope I can do it without all the bumps and stuff. So there's Bronx World right here. So catch his channel. Check it out. Like I said, he rides up in South Dakota, Minnesota. He's got a lot of cool videos, so please check him out. He's been very supportive of my channel, as of several people. Several people. But anyway, and I just got his, and I got Mild Hogs. So take 3. It'll take me 20 minutes to probably peel those ones apart too. So I got the Mild Hog sticker. Got it apart. Gonna put it on. Well, got the note from the Mild Hogs. Hey, what's up, Jay Glyden? Thanks for always being so supportive of our channel. We appreciate your consistent commitment to our channel. Be blessed and happy, safe trails. Blessed and safe trails. Happy trails. Blessed and safe travels. Happy trails. I did take a little bit of reading in my days, but not today, apparently. So, I got the Mild Hog sticker. And it is going to go right there. And yep. I thought I had it. Get them all evened out. So, got the Mild Hogs on there. Support the Mild Hogs out of Oklahoma. First caught their channel, his channel, their channel, all their channels. Because he had a bike like mine, and he was doing some really cool videos, still doing very, very cool videos, editing. Awesome job. Their whole crew is so fun to watch. Be awesome to be in a group of people like that, riding and sharing rides and experiences with each other. So let me get the other sticker. He gave me two of each of his stickers. So let me get that second. Got the second Mild Hogs sticker. The second type that they gave me. And I'm going to put that one right there. We got the Mild Hogs. Two of those. And Bronx World. Put those all on. Let me get the other Mild Hog ones apart. I'll put those on my brother's vest. So, got the Mild Hog ones ready to go. Better put this on the door here. I don't know if you can, which is better here, if you can see that or not. Mild Hogs right there. And I got an autographed Mild Hogs. How cool is that? And the second of the Mild Hogs goes right there next to it. I don't know which is better, with the light on or off. So, got the Mild Hogs, and I got Bronx World. I got this Jay Glyden dude, whoever that is. And I got this one because that's how I found all these channels. I started doing research, believe it or not, on retiring early. And all of a sudden went down a rabbit hole, and I started seeing all these motorcycle channels, and sure enough, I'm sure everybody knows Itchy Boots. Started watching her videos, and then the next one popped up, and the next one popped up, and lo and behold, it was Mild Hogs. And Mild Hogs has mentioned many people on his channel. He doesn't need me promoting his channel. He's got plenty of people, but if you haven't seen it, go check it out. Does some great editing, great videos of different rides he goes on with his group people, drone footage, does a lot of awesome stuff. So go check him out. Now, as I promised, the 7 rules that I used when I was a beginning rider, still use today, is number 1, let it go. Don't start your ride thinking about any negative thoughts. Like if you had a bad day today or yesterday you killed it. That is in a good way, like dumped the clutch and killed the motorcycle. Was a little herky-jerky on the starts and stops and things of that nature. Bad day at work. what have you. Let it go. Start off each and every ride thinking good thoughts, thinking positive thoughts. And if you did something wrong the day before, don't dwell on it. Okay? Number 2, ignore other people. Don't listen to the naysayers. Live your life the way that it's empowering to you. In other words, like, and what my channel is trying to drive across, what I'm trying to do is, because when I was 50, I was told I was too old to ride. Riding's too dangerous. Don't even start. And like I said, I've taken it upon myself with all my last few videos, just talking about how I overcame that. I can overcome it at 50 years of age. So can you. And I've had a lot of people from 18 to 77, male and female, tell me their stories about when they started, what they started on, how they started, and just had several people in their 40s and a few in their 50s. In the last 2 videos, reach out to me and thank me, and I thank you for commenting and letting me know, hey, this is helping somebody. That's what it was intended for, believe it or not. Is I knew there had to be more people than just me starting out later in life. You know, I was returning to riding, if you can say that, after my teenage years, getting back into it, but it was really kind of just starting for the first time. And after that long rabbit hole, number 3, give it time. Time heals everything, and time will help you become a better rider. The more experience you get, the better you're going to be at riding. And number 4, like I've always said, don't compare. Don't compare your chapter 1 to somebody else's chapter 21. And certainly the only person that you should be trying to be better than is the rider you were yesterday. The only competition you should be with is yesterday's rider of yourself. Yourself yesterday. If I can say that, I don't know. Anyway, I got some sun. I was out riding all weekend. Happy Father's Day. This is Father's Day. So, number 5, stay calm. It's okay not to have everything figured out in the beginning. And understand one thing, you're going to get there. You'll get there. Being calm avoids mistakes. And mistakes can lead to an accident. So you can help control that aspect of it. Number six, and I can't hold up my hands because I have my hand gesturing on my 360 and it just shut off. So number 6, it's on you. You are in charge of your own happiness. Don't let other drivers on the road or change this, or other people, naysayers, telling you can't ride. Don't let that happen. And number 7, quickly, don't shut the camera off. Smile. Life is short. Enjoy it. Enjoy every mile, rain, shine, all the sunsets, all the sunrises. Riding with your friends, riding with a group, riding by yourself, enjoying the freedom and just being out there on the road to do what you want to do. Because so many things happen on the road that you would not experience if you were in a car. And I'm going to get to some of those in some later videos. So thanks for this video, just mailbag time and just some of the things. And I went over these 7 things because I went on a long trip this weekend with my wife, celebrating our 40th anniversary. And even though I've been riding 12 years, it's been probably 8 years since my wife went with me on a long trip. So I had that 2 up, plus I had some luggage on top of my tour pack, which made it top heavy a little bit. So there was a lot to get used to there, starting, stopping, turning, things of that nature. So in a way, I started all over again for 2UP. I had to relearn some things. So I hope you have a great day. Hope you have many great memories and miles ahead of you. And if this is all helping you, like so many people before have chimed in and thanked me, keep giving me your motorcycle journeys. Love hearing all of them. Going to read some of them here pretty soon on another video, and some great inspiration, some of the people that have talked about. So have a great day. We'll catch you later.